Hi, this is King of Review. Here we have a series in sigma notation, sum notation, and we need to determine which of these four series it's equivalent to. So, let's take a look. We have the sum from k equals 1 up to n of negative 1 to the k times k. Well, looking across these answer choices, I notice that they all have the same final term, and this final term is what you get just by plugging in n for k. We know that makes sense because n is the final number, according to our sum notation, that we're going to plug in for k. But the first four terms are all a little different in each of these answer choices. So let's start plugging some things in for k. Our sigma notation says start with k equals 1. If I plug in 1 for k, I get negative 1 to the 1 times 1. Negative 1 to the first power is negative 1, and negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So the first term needs to be negative 1, which I see in choices A and D, but not in B and C. So B and C must be wrong. They have positive 1 instead of negative 1. Let's try the next term. K equals 2. If I plug in 2 for k, I get negative 1 squared times 2. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So the second term should be positive 2. Well, A and C both have positive, A and D both have positive 2 as the second term, so that doesn't help me narrow it down any further. Let's go to the next term, k equals 3. Here I'll have negative 1 to the third power times 3. Negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, and negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. And now I see that choice D cannot be correct because it has a positive 3 for the third term, whereas choice A has negative 3, exactly like we want. So A is our answer. Thanks for watching.